in the parking lot of the Marriott. Oh, the sun's over here. We got this one in idle. Some of this. It's maybe the same one from Willow Park. There's that. Some of this. We haven't even gotten to the show. This is the parking lot. That's what's making that noise. Some of this over here. Station wagon. Get on the side of the sun here. Sun's over here. So I'm heading over to the next area. Just gonna grab the GoPro real quick. This is a 61 Impala. With the GoPro, I don't have to get that far away. I can just kind of... Here's the row. Just gonna hit this hard and fast for now. We might come back with the camera, but it's good, guys. It's so big. I don't have time for all of it. So, give you the sun's on the other side, but I may just come back, but I've been here for so long, I just want to get in here and
my boy that does the second gens, I've never seen it. He's got them sitting in his house, in the basement, and it is.
oh my goodness. Click. What year?
78, 79.
This car is leaving the parking lot because it's going to go get autocross. She's going to go autocross this car, which she's already done before. She's going to go autocross this car again. It's the end of the day. I just want to get what I can get while I'm here. But I'm going to start heading towards the start heading towards the car. Let's get under the hood real quick. Start heading towards the car right now. This is the Skylark. He says he's got a Buick engine now. Came with a Buick engine. I see this over here, so we can go over here. Ta-da! Goodguys member. Interior. Right in here. From the back. Sun's over there, we're okay. Mean green.
I don't know what motor he has. Probably has one. I got some pretty cool ideas and some pictures.
This is 70. This is the CUDA. Oh, it's got a signature. Mr. Norman's Supercars. That's a NOS bottle. Got some explodes.
Simulation of the original Golden Submarine.
This car was built in 1917?
No, it's built to emulate the 1917.
I see, okay.
The original car is in the basement of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
Okay. Was the car built for land speed records or
Road racing.
Okay.
We've road raced it already.
How much does this car weigh?
928 pounds with me and
Wow. And how much horsepower does it have?
120 horsepower, about 98 foot-pounds of torque. So,
How much horsepower?
120. We did 168 miles an hour on the back straightaway in Indianapolis.
He's gonna open the door.
Little, I didn't like.
Oh, let me just get the shot here.
I did
Here's the interior on
main sprints and all that.
There you go. This is hand fabricated.
Okay. Now we come over here to this. Like that. This is it doesn't have the ear. Well, let's get on the, look at that pipe. Look at that. Is there another one of those over here? No, just the one. There's a roller. I'll get the roller. Slow roller. We'll transition to the other slow roller.